Hello everybody, my name is Cole McDaniel and I'm going to be showing you a let's play of a level I made using Dragon Age's Toolset. And what it is, it's basically like a level editor for Dragon Age. You can find it you can go ahead and find it download on Google if you like. It's for free. And I'm sorry for the frame rates, but recording and playing at the same time kind of requires my machine to haggle a little bit. Anyway, I decided to make, instead of like a quest where I have to defeat anybody, I decided to actually make a little comedy. Now, this is my first time actually using the level, but I decided to use tutorials from my class to where you start off in either the building that was assigned to us, or into actually the I believe it was called Red Cliff Lake Town. I did the opposite, where I decided to start in the building and I'm going outside towards the lake. And inside the building is where I'm going to be meeting our little character. This is actually a little surprise I want to show you. And his name, even though he's naked, is Lucy K. And I also made sure that he also has like the little beard and everything right there to kind of show, and also him being bald just like the real Lucy K. And I also tried doing some dialogue in dialogue tree into this, but it didn't seem to come up so well. So instead I'll just read to you what I had planned to write for this plot. And this is Louis C.K. talking. "Damn it, man. You are my manager. That freak, that thief, he took my clothes. If you do not get me my clothes back, I am going to not go on. If I don't get my clothes back, I'm not going to do another season of Louis. Now get it back now." And then he ushers us to basically go back outside, or to go outside, catch the thief that basically took his clothes. Funny, I guess. Anyway, whenever I also made it so that you could transition outside of the building by using a level transitioner between the building and Red Cliff Lake. Oh my god. I am terribly sorry for the frame rates, but yeah. And oh yeah, I also forgot to say, in the whenever you talk to Louis C.K., I also had it to where he says that talk to the preacher right across the church, as you could see right across there. He might know more because apparently the thief talked to him. And as you could see, the thief apparently definitely was there. As you could see, he's naked. And then whenever you talk to the preacher, he also says, the thief took my clothes. He's down there towards the road, near the lake, which is basically over there by the bridge. This basically, I wanted to make it like a waypoint. Like, I didn't want to just add to more of the funniness towards the plot of the quest, but also to act as a waypoint, so that way you give direction to the player, but without giving a waypoint at the very least. It's just basically, I think it's called a diegetic waypoint, or a waypoint that helps people understand the level design without actually using an actual waypoint. Just, oh, it's over there by the trees that has a heart on it. And again, I am very sorry about the frame rates, but recording and doing this at the same time is near impossible. So my machine can apparently not take it so well. Once you go to the thief, I made sure that he actually looks a lot different than the other players, instead of just being naked. Whenever you talk to the thief, that's whenever you get a little plot twist. You talk to him, he says, "Oh, I didn't steal those clothes. They told me to take them. They're the perverts that just did it. The only reason I did it is because I needed to get paid. Here, just take them right there. I already got paid, so just give it back to them. I already got paid for everything, so go ahead and take it, man." Once you take it, I can actually go to the custom chest that I decided to make. Open it up, and there is the clothes. There's the chantry clothes for the preacher. Let's see. Take it. And then there is Louis C.K.'s clothes. And I also tried in this part of the game to actually make it so that I could interact with the preacher again and the Louis C.K., but all I got was the same thing to where the line of text wasn't working, and I also couldn't make it to where if I give them back their clothes, it actually transitions to them or shows them where they actually have the clothes. So that one I'm still kind of working on, because I actually kind of want to make a custom level for this, as I am actually a pretty big fan of Dragon Age and all that. But what I wanted to do in this, instead of just making a average quest, I wanted to actually make a comedy fetch quest, which you probably rarely ever see in these style of games where you're playing a RPG, and then instead of fighting a big boss or some legion of enemies, you're instead just finding out a funny twist and just, you know, a nice little distraction. And I rarely ever see that in the game at all. Oh, it looks like my frame rate's starting to go up a little bit. And as you can see, still doesn't want to talk to me, even though I wrote the line of code in there as well. Oh well. But I hope you guys got a better understanding of why method to my madness and why I decided to make my level as is. And yeah, hope to see you guys soon. Bye bye.